Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put this water line connected as I have. As you see, I put a shut-off valve between.
Oh, that's good.
What I'm going to do is run the shut-off valve to the front of the unit.
Should I?
So that if there's ever any leaks, you'll be able to shut your water off from the front. And since this is monogram, I had to add that 1 foot line to connect. As you can see, floor protection is mandatory. Gotta always protect customer floors. That's my slider. Protection. So, what I've done here is ran the water line from the back of the unit to the front.
Okay.
And put a shut-off valve.
Gotcha.
So that if you ever have any issues,
Cut it off
just
right there.
shut it off right here. So what I'm going to do now is turn the water on.
Yeah.
You hear it flowing?
Yeah.
That's always my nervous moment.
Nope, you don't have to be nervous anymore. And then I'm going to tuck this, put your
Okay.
toe kick on, and you're all set.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is put these handles on. Don't need too much, just a little tap. A couple times. That's that. And if you noticed, I peeled the refrigerator glass so that I'm leaving no fingerprints.
Thank you. It's the round side. You can't ever get that off.
We'll make sure we leave no fingerprints, and I will give it a wipe down afterwards.
You know when they install it and they have oil on their hands?
Yes.
And that you can't ever get it off?
I got a secret, show you how to get that off.
Oh.
Hot water and vinegar.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, handles are on. And my partner's helping me clean up right now. That's my partner. You're sweating a lot, kid. You scared? Why you nervous? Why are you sweating like that? Hot. Okay. It's not hot as Texas. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is secure the unit. So for securing, we're gonna run 2 screws up top along with your anti-tip bracket at the back. Right there. And let's put another one on the other side. Now it's locked in place. That guy's going nowhere.
Even when the bear comes in and Mike goes,
Bear, he's not getting it.
no,
He's not getting it out. He can take everything out the fridge. Though.
yeah, he'll just rip the doors off.
He'll ruin it for you, but the fridge will still be there. So, this install is almost complete. But you notice what I'm doing, I'm always protecting the customer's floors. At all costs, keep the floors protected. All the way walking through, use big pneumatic tires, use floor protection at all costs. You get this wood floors, trust me, your boss does not want to pay for this to get fixed.
Because they're hand scraped.
So the last thing we're gonna do now is strip it. We're gonna get the inside cleaned up and we'll be ready to go. Your turn. So the thing when you're cleaning this, you wanna always use your microfiber cloths,
Yeah,
but you also wanna go with the grain.
okay,
So when your grain is going up and down,
yeah,
you wanna clean it up and down.
okay,
You don't wanna do swirls or any of that.
okay,
And that way it stays looking pretty.
okay. And I always make sure that the microcloth is a soft one. It
Yes.
doesn't have any stickers on it, or
Yep, that's what you want.
no one used it for a car. Yeah, so we got one for the garage to hold us over, and they, at Costco, and they scratched the hell out of it, with the straps and everything.
Uh-huh.
So I called Costco and I'm like, you know, it's all scratched. And they goes, it just cosmetic? I go, yeah, but, and they
I
go,
paid for it.
but I paid for a brand new refrigerator. And they
Absolutely.
go, we'll take $100 off. And I went, no, not good enough. And so they took $200 off and I'm like, okay, because it's going in the garage.
Mhm.
That was about a third of the price.
Made it work.
Yeah, but you can just see where the straps were, and the guy, I don't know. I mean, they weren't not nice guys.
Here
But
knows I'll be all on him if you don't protect the units. Because my boss is gonna get on me.
yeah, well, what happens when they get scratched like that and it's not, yeah, that's not good.
So the last thing I wanna do
Okay,
is prime your line. Do you have a cup so I can make sure this is
Sure.
working correctly?
does it need to be as big?
No. It usually
That
takes
gets
about
the air
60
out?
seconds, yes. Oh, probably help if I put it on water.
It would have been making that sound for a while.
What's going on now? The water's going
Yeah.
through all the back, trying to make it sweaty. Dump the first couple of pitchers.
Yeah,
You're gonna have the carbon
uh-huh,
in there, the charcoal. You
Mhm.
don't want that, nasty. Also, your first batch of ice.
okay, throw that away.
It usually takes about a minute.
Yeah, well, it makes sense. There's a long ways to go. Oh. And you know your stuff.
Been doing this for like 60 years.
Dude.
He's not even 60 years old,
How do you know?
because I can tell.
He's like, "Wait,
Step over there, please.
I'm right, huh? He's not 60.
No. Not yet. I'm 49.
You're a baby.
I'll be 50 though. It's coming fast.
That will trade you. I'm gonna be 70 next year.
I'm gonna stay on your tail. I'm chasing you guys.
70. Who even thought?
It goes by too quick, I tell you.